In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or adjust the balance in a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. We'll start right inside your company file. On the left panel, go to Accounting, and then open the Chart of Accounts tab. This is where all of your accounts live, and it's the quickest way to find the exact credit card you want to adjust. Use the search bar at the top to type the name of your credit card account. When you see it in the list, click View Register. This opens the Accounts Register, which is essentially a running log of everything that has affected that card. Inside the register, you'll see a list of existing transactions. On the right side, there's a running balance that updates as you go, so you can see immediately how each entry impacts what you owe. If the balance isn't quite right, you have two options. You can edit an existing transaction, or you can add a new one. To edit, just click on the transaction you want to change. Review the details carefully. Make sure the date is correct. Check the payee if one applies. Confirm the account category is the right one for that expense. And use the memo field to capture context you'll need later. Adjust the amount if necessary. When you save, watch the running balance on the right to confirm the change brings things in line. If you need to create a new entry, click Add CC Expense at the top left of the register. First, select the payee if you have one. Then choose the account for that expense, which is the category that best describes what the charge was for, like office supplies or travel. Add a clear memo to explain why you're entering this transaction, especially if you're correcting a prior oversight. Next, enter the amount. Choose Charge to increase the ending balance if you're recording a purchase that wasn't captured before. Choose Payment to reduce the ending balance if you're recording a payment made to the card. Make sure the date reflects when the transaction actually happened, so your timeline stays accurate. After you save, look again at the running balance on the right to verify the result. Small adjustments can have a big impact, so take a moment to review your work. If you're editing older items, be cautious with anything that's already been closed out in your records. Clear memos and correct categories will make future reviews and reports much easier. That's all it takes to add or adjust the balance in a credit card account in QuickBooks Online.